In this Cuisine Art Series, we're going to do surf and turf dinner, pork loins, and shrimps dinner. Don't forget to subscribe. We have garlic and herb boneless pork loin chops, extra large shrimps. Put some frozen shrimps in a glass plate. Then run the water on the frozen shrimps and soak the shrimps until thaw. Then move the shrimps into a bowl and pour all the water out. Now we're going to put toothpicks into the shrimps to make them more straightened. We have to do it one by one, so be patient. So the purpose to do this is to make the shrimps more nice and presentable for plating. We buy and use cheaper price food and then we cook them and present them into looking more expensive dinner. And that's the purpose of my videos. We do not need to buy more expensive ingredients, but still we can make them look good and expensive dinner. Now all the shrimps are straight and put them aside. Let's prepare the potatoes, shall we? Let's wash the potatoes in the sink, shall we? Peel the skins one by one. I know it's a tedious work, but you got to do it. It's not really hard to do, right? Okay, one is done and wash it off. This one, we're gonna use it as a base part for the deco. So the bottom part must be cut flat. Now let's do the carrots. We have to peel the skins one by one too, just like we peel the potatoes. But you know what? If you don't feel like peeling the carrots, you can always buy the peeled carrots at the store. Okay, let's wash all the carrots. Then boil the carrots in the pot with water until it's boiling and cook. Okay, let's take care of the loin chops. Don't forget to put some frying oil in the pan. Not too much oil though, just a little bit so that the pork chop won't stick to the frying pan. Look at how beautiful they are. The pork loin chops were already seasoned and soaked with salt, onion, garlic, vinegar, black pepper, parsley, red pepper, green pepper, thyme, oregano, basil, and a little bit of sugar, lemon juice, and tomato. Sounds delicious, right? Flip them over and over until cooked. Then saute the shrimps using the same fat. After it's cooked, put shrimps in the bowl. Wrap the potato in the plastic wrap and put it microwave for 2 minutes. Then we prepare the other potato for the decoration. Then cut along the side of the cut potato into looking it like a long flower. Now it looks like a flower, right? Put a lot of oil into the frying pan and fry the potato. Flip it over and over. Now it's cooked and look like a flower, right? Then put it aside. Cut all the carrots into half vertically. Now we're going to do the plating. Put down 2 tablespoons of sour cream mixed with spinach and artichoke dip. Put the baked potato on top of it. Then put 2 pork loin chops. Garnish it with the carrots. Then stick the floury potatoes into the baked potato. We're making some vertical decoration now, huh? Don't forget to put some leaves under the floury potato. Now we're going to lay all the shrimps down. That's it, guys. How beautiful our dinner is. We're using our cheaper ingredients and turning it into expensive looking dinner. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe. Please click the like button. Please click the notification. Thank you.